Hi, welcome back to Namona Data channel. Let's take a look together my experience at Guangzhou Canton Tower and Tiande Center. What's up? Let's talk about Canton Tower. 600-meter tall, then 488-meter sky view. Bungee jump at 450-meter. You can have a glass skywalk at 433 meter. Ayo, so frightening at this level. After I gathered enough courage, I returned the next day. I went to the opposite building, Four Seasons Hotel. And from there, I went up to the revolving cafe. The weather was bad, unable to view the Canton Tower from the cafe here. Look at this. Four Seasons Hotel is at Metro Line 5, Zhujiang Station, connected to underground walkway to the International Finance Center. From there, you enjoy your outside view. Follow me to walk Four Seasons Hotel. Look at the Four Seasons Hotel. Can't see clear. I took a bus ride to go around for a leisure. The other side they have the Belzakasama. Along the way, I discovered this attraction. Chinese culture heritage row of houses with one modern architecture building next to it. This modern architecture building is Tiande Center. In this center display high-tech products. EV cars, especially the taxi drone, can be found here. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye. Stay tuned to see where I'm going next. Don't forget to subscribe me.